Vinicius Jr., the Brazilian soccer player, promises to keep fighting against racism even though it might have cost him the Ballon d'Or award. His team told Reuters that this is why he didn't win. Vinicius was among the top contenders for the award, but lost to Spain's Rodri. Real Madrid Vinicius' team decided not to send any players to Ballon d'Or ceremony in Paris because none of their players would win. Vinicius Jr. posted on social media that he would do 10 times more if necessary and added they are not ready. When they asked about this, Vinicius' team explained he was talking about his fight against racism. They believe his activism is why he didn't win the Ballon d'Or. They said the football world is not ready to accept a player who fights against the system. Vinicius Jr. is only 24 years old and has already faced racial abuse many times in Spain. Some people have been convicted for this. A first time in the country, France Football, the group that organizes the Ballon d'Or, didn't give any comment right away. The Ballon d'Or is decided by votes from journalists in the top 100 countries and the FIFA World Rankings. Real Madrid midfielder Eduardo Camavinga also supported Vinicius Jr. on social media, criticizing the politics of football. He wrote, "You are the best player in the world and no accolade can say otherwise." Other players from Real Madrid, who won the Spanish Championship and the Champions League last season, have also told Vinicius Jr. that he is the best. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more sports news updates.